The goal of the Lygus Elimination group was to create an elimination component that could kill all of the bugs that were captured by the rest of the Lygus vacuum.
Strawberry production in California is a major industry, accounting for $2 billion of production yearly, with 92% of the volume of strawberries in the United States being grown in California. California's climate is very unique because it is one of the only geographical locations in the world where strawberries can be grown year-round. The Lygus bug is a small pest which feeds on the seeds of the strawberries during the flowering stage. To do the regulation of spray and chemical control methods to mitigate the Lygus bugs, vacuums are used to augment elimination.
The existing Lygus vacuum has a system rate which only eliminates 18% of the bugs. Currently, it is limited by the choke put on the device by the baffles.
This simulation shows how the bugs represented by the blue dots are sucked up by the fan and eliminated through the baffle outlet.
One key part of our testing process was creating testing materials. Here you see an individual welding together our expanded metal sheet that was used to keep our testing points consistent. Another step was creating more holes in the existing system so that we could mount a new ring to the existing system. That ring then needed to have matching holes so that the two could be coupled together for testing purposes. Here you see these devices coupled together with the grating exactly 12 inches below, and it was marked at each of our 9 grid locations so that our testing measurements were consistent.
In order for our testing to be uniform and consistent, each test began by taking the measurements of the flow and the fan RPM by using a laser tachometer and a flow meter hooked into the hydraulic line. The original shroud and baffle design was tested for airflow using the 9-point test the team had developed. This first test was used as a basis for future airflow tests on different baffle configurations to be compared to. These 9-point air tests were used to determine if our new baffle designs had improved airflow or reduced airflow compared to the original CNC baffle design.
After testing, we looked at possible design revisions. This design is similar to that of a common tea strainer. Although its mesh sphere could increase airflow above the fan, its larger hole size may lower the kill rate of Lygus. The next design incorporates a 6-inch lift to both increase the airflow by setting the baffle at a farther distance from the fan and prevent Lygus from escaping. Our final design shows 2 baffles stacked on top of each other at a 45-degree angle to create an overlap and increase the feasibility of Lygus elimination.
Heading into the future, more research and development will be done on the current design. The current design is being tested by the California Strawberry Center right now, and they're seeing what they can do to make it better.